This video is for all of my shy folks, my people who have not started your side hustle because you're worried about putting your face on camera. You don't want to make videos. You don't really want to be on social media, but you want to make some money. Okay, you know you got the ideas, you know you got shirts or you know you got merch that you want to create, but you have just been worried about how you're actually going to get people to buy it because you're not willing to put your face out there. I get it. Now I know you see my face right now, but I don't always feel like making videos. Okay, so I feel you, which is why I'm making this video today. So let's talk about the no face, no case side hustle for 2026. That sounds ridiculous, but in general, let's just talk about how you can make faceless content and actually sell a lot of products. So you will see on the screen a brand that I came across and how many likes and views they have from this post. And so then I went and saw the rest of their page, and you have no idea who owns this business. The only thing that you see is that they have made a lot of sales, that they sell t-shirts, that they clearly have what is a successful side hustle or main hustle for them at this point. And they have a page full of quotable things, viral and fun and funny things that are selling their product. Again, we have no idea who owns this brand. So how can you replicate this and do it either this way or another way that works for you? Well, first and foremost, you gotta have a product to sell, okay? You hear me talking about Printify all the time, which is my print-on-demand partner. I started using them when I did not have a big budget. I literally did not have a budget at all. I got on Printify, I saw that they had over 1,000 products that you can choose from, and you can actually start a side hustle today using them. So not only do you not need to use your face, you don't need to actually have any money up front to do this. So if you don't have a Printify account already, comment Printify. I'll send my link right over to you in the comments. If you already have Printify, go ahead and log in. Select whatever product you want to sell. Of course, I know I love t-shirts. I got my own hoodies and t-shirts over here right now that I'm working on trying to figure out what's next. And isn't this camo cute? Anyway. So select what it is that you want to sell. You can always go to bestsellers and it will show you the things that are absolutely selling well right now. You're going to go ahead, see what you want to sell based on your niche. You want to create designs for the people you want to sell to. If you have no idea what a niche is, you probably need to take my free class. So comment free class and I'll walk you through how you select a niche, how you select the people that you want to sell to, and how you can actually maximize sales, right? So once you know what your design is going to look like, who you're going to sell it to, you can create it inside of Printify. You literally only need Printify to do this. You can get a graphic designer on Fiverr. You can use Canva, save that, and then upload it into Printify. So once you have your designs ready to go, you can simply create a Printify pop-up store without spending any money up front. Printify is going to give you a link that you can use and put on your social media page, right? It is that simple for you to actually create a way for people to buy from you. Yes, I am off camera to show you that you can do this several different ways, all right? You do have the Printify pop-up store option, which means you don't have to spend anything up front. You can start selling and then you will be making money and Printify will just send that money over to you, right? So you don't need anything up front. So every time you guys ask me, you're like, is it actually zero? Yes, it is zero up front. If you are using a Printify pop-up store, you get your link right away, all right? But you can also do this on Etsy, all right? And there are a ton of people who are also faceless, who are not showing who they are or making videos and making tons of money using Etsy. There's also people using Shopify to do this and TikTok Shop, Amazon, eBay, and so many other options that you can connect your Printify store to. All right. So I just wanted to mention that so you know that you have options, not just the one that I mentioned in the video, but that is the one that is the easiest and $0 to start. All right. If you have any questions about this, of course, drop it in the comments. So once you now have your product, you know what you're going to sell. You don't have to start with a lot. All right. I have a few challenges here on my page that is just for you to create one product at a time. If you want to start with just a couple of things, that probably is best as you are getting your feet wet, figuring it out, right? So then when you go start making your content and you don't want your face to be seen, what you have to focus on is what's actually trending right now. So you need to be plugged into TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, like all of the places. You need to see what is actually working right now. What are people talking about? Of course, we got stuff going on in the economy, in the world, and the wars, and this and that. And so you can see with the page that I use as an example, they will also be in my description in case you want to kind of research them further. They're talking about things that are relevant to what's going on in the world right now. And they just put a funny spin on it. So you can absolutely do things like that. You can repost other people's content, give them credit, of course. You can repost other people's content that closely relates to your niche and who you're selling to. And you can have a whole page full of other people's ideas that really kind of go with your products. You can still reach out to those people that you're reposting content from and say, hey, I have a really nice product that I think will go really, really well with you. It's perfect for you. Can I send this over to you? And that's another way that you can draw people to your new store, because you're reaching out to influencers and micro influencers who are similar to your audience. In addition to this, people still love a good quote. They love things to encourage them, especially if you have a brand that's all about making people feel good and feel seen. Because remember, it's not just about, I keep using the same hoodie, but it's not just about the words. It's about the feeling. You're not selling a product. You're selling the feeling and the emotion that people will feel as they're wearing this product or when they see it on somebody else. So when you're creating your content, even if you're faceless, you have to remember that, all right? You can put mock-ups on your page, but people might scroll by them because it feels like an ad. And we are inundated with ads and people saying, come buy my stuff, and companies saying, come buy my stuff. So the way that you cut through the noise and actually get people to listen to you and say, hey, I really need that, is to, like I said, get influencers who closely relate to your message to wear your products, to post things that are viral and that have a message behind them, and add your own spin onto them to create content. And you can do this again on Canva, or you can have somebody create some content for you on places like Fiverr. You can use AI now. You can use animated characters. You can use so many things to get your message out there if you don't want to be on camera. So I say all of this to say that if you are shy, if you don't want to make videos, and if you're worried about how you're actually going to sell products in 2026, there is a way for you. And I wanted to bring that example to you today. So you can check out the description. I will leave this page there. There are several pages like this where you have no idea who owns the brand. You have no idea who the CEO is. You have no idea who the person is behind the scenes, but they are making a ton of money because they've learned how to relate to their audience in different ways. So you can absolutely do this with your brand, never have to be seen, and sell a whole lot of products, which is the point, all right? So comment Printify if you want my Printify link. Comment free class if you want the free class link. I'm excited, especially for all the shy folks who like, this is finally my time to make some money and not have to worry about getting on camera. Because for a lot of people, this has been holding you back, and you've been waiting for years because you don't know how to sell products and you don't want to be seen on camera. It's okay. Trust me, there is a way. And if you want to work with me, I do have a way for you to do that. So check out all of my links in the description box so that we can get your dream brand started in 2026.